Batshit crazy moment number 86. Bird poop blindness. From Tobit 2, verses 9 to 10. On the same night I returned from burying him, I washed myself and went into my courtyard and lay down by the wall of the courtyard. And my face was uncovered because of the heat. I did not know that there were sparrows on the wall. Their droppings fell warm into my eyes and produced white films. I went to physicians to be healed, but the more they treated me with ointments, the more my vision was obscured by white films, until I became completely blind. Biblical blindness doesn't get more absurd than this. Having spent his life doing good deeds, Tobit is struck blind not by divine punishment or illness, but by an unfortunate accident involving bird droppings. It's the kind of moment that feels more like slapstick comedy than divine misfortune, yet Tobit spends years wandering around in darkness, thanks to one ill-timed nap.